Have you ever wondered how the West Philippine Sea became a hotbed of petroleum-driven disputes? Historically, this region boasts massive untapped oil deposits that many nations have dreamed of controlling. Spanish archives reference these waters for trade routes, while modern geologists highlight its hydrocarbon potential. The friction began centuries ago, shaped by overlapping claims and shifting alliances, but escalated once new extraction technology unlocked deeper reserves beneath the waves. Chinese dynastic records mention partial sovereignty, claiming centuries of maritime activities and fishing settlements. Meanwhile, the Philippine archipelago was mapped under Spanish rule, reinforcing local rights over these waters. Post-colonial transitions further complicated ownership, as new governments defined their maritime zones. Japan too once showed interest, exploring potential oil prospects in the mid-20th century. The stage was set for conflicting narratives, each seeking legitimacy for rights over this valuable marine territory. Decades later, tensions soared when seismic surveys estimated large oil reserves right beneath the seabed. Countries intensified their claims, passing domestic laws to formalize boundaries and awarding exploration contracts to bolster economic arguments. Diplomatic talks often faltered amid nationalistic rhetoric. Yet numerous joint development proposals have occasionally surfaced, suggesting shared revenue models. Overall, international disputes sharpened, with each new study underscoring the region's potential as an energy-rich frontier. International law, particularly the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, was meant to resolve overlapping claims. Yet interpretations vary, with each claimant asserting exclusive economic zones or invoking historic rights. Court rulings have attempted to clarify boundaries, but enforcement remains elusive. Political maneuvering continues as superpowers pivot strategically, forging alliances and projecting naval presence. Meanwhile, smaller coastal communities stress fishery rights, worried focus on oil might overlook sustaining their livelihoods. Many experts believe that collaborative exploration and equitable sharing could ensure stability in the West Philippine Sea. Others argue that lingering historical rivalries might complicate any partnership. Nonetheless, ongoing dialogue, international arbitration, and goodwill remain essential to resolve these deep-rooted claims. Progress will demand patience and transparency from all sides in pursuit of lasting peace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow, like, and share your thoughts with us in the comments.